Alright guys, welcome in. Today I'm showing you a different way to rug pull meme coins. No chasing charts, no waiting on lucky pumps. I create the coins myself and earn from the fees and supply. It's straightforward, low stress, and built to work again and again.
Before we start, make sure you watch till the end. I'll be dropping one SOL anywhere in the video.
Alright, so making money launching meme coins in 2026 has honestly gotten so easy that being a crypto millionaire really isn't that impressive anymore. I've made over $1.6 million doing this, and I can refresh it so you can see I'm legit and I'm not trying to show off or anything. I just want you to see that I actually have results from this. So today I'm going to break down my entire system, like literally step by step. We're talking how to pick the right platform, how to find concepts that actually sell, how to build the meme coin, how to set up a liquidity pool, how to get people to actually buy your coin, and of course the most important step, how to profit from your meme coin launch. So let's do it. Now, before we get started, I gotta tell you why 99% of people completely fail at this. They pick terrible platforms, they rush through their concept, and then they wonder why nobody is buying their coin. So the first thing is platform choice. This is huge and most people get it completely wrong. You've got all of these platforms like Pump.Fun, Boop, Bonk Launch Lab. There's literally dozens of them, but here's the problem. When you use these platforms, you don't actually own your liquidity. They control everything, which means you can't really maximize your profits. Plus, these platforms are so simple to use that literally hundreds of coins get launched every minute. Look at this madness. It's completely insane. Your coin isn't going anywhere if you launch here. So what I personally use instead is Raydium. Yeah, it's a bit more technical, but with the right tools, it's really not that hard. The main thing is you actually control your own liquidity, which means way more profit potential. Plus, there's way less competition because most people are too lazy to figure out how to launch on Raydium. I mean, I've tried launching on these other platforms before, and honestly, the results were just terrible. Like barely any visibility, and even when coins did okay, I couldn't control the liquidity properly. With Raydium, I can actually manage everything the way I want to. Alright, this next step is literally make or break. Your concept is literally everything. Get it right and people throw money at your coin. Get it wrong and you just wasted a bunch of time. Most people just pick random garbage and then get surprised when it flops. Like, even though crypto people will buy almost anything, you still need something that's at least funny or about a trending topic. So how do I find winning concepts? I've got 3 different approaches that I personally use, and I'll show you exactly how I do each one. So my first approach is checking what's trending on Deck Screener. I'll go to this trending section and see what themes are popping up today. Here's something most people don't get. Just because something was trending last month, that doesn't mean they'll work today. This pace moves very fast. Sometimes stuff that was printing money last week is completely dead now. That's why I only look at what's trending right now. What I do is browse through what's here and think what angle hasn't been covered yet. Like right now, there's tons of animal themed coins everywhere. So maybe I do something like, I don't know, billionaire pig or whatever. Then to create a logo, I could use something like Canva or even AI. But honestly, if you're new to this, I wouldn't really recommend this method. You don't know what works yet. So this is more for when you have more experience. I only started using this method after I launched like 20 or 30 coins and I really understood the patterns. So now method 2, copy what already works. This is way better for beginners and it's actually what I recommend most people start with. What I do is find coins that are doing well but haven't exploded yet, something in the $50, $100, $200,000 market cap range. Then I basically recreate my own version of that coin. Here's how I do it. Go to a platform like BullX or Axiom, Photon, Gemgen, whatever you like. Then on this trending section, find something you like with a decent market cap. So let's see this one, for example. Copy this address, go to explorer.solana.com, paste the address here, select this, and boom, you got all the coin details, logo, everything. And if you right-click the image and save it, you now got a proven concept to work with. This is smart because you're not gambling on untested ideas. You're using something that already proved people will buy it. I use this method for most of my launches just because it's so reliable. The key thing I look for is coins with good engagement, but not too much hype yet. Like if something's already at $5 million market cap, it's probably too late. But if it's sitting at 200,000 and has active trading, that's perfect for this method. But even this copying method can be annoying with all the manual work. So here's my favorite shortcut, one-click copy. This is basically the same as the previous method, but instead of doing everything manually, I just click one button and the coin is cloned. To do this, I use Solana tokenfast.io on this trending tokens page. Here, just browse through their list of trending coins, find one you like, and click create token. This is honestly what I use most of the times now because it's just so fast. So now I'm going to show you exactly how I launch my coins. And yeah, for better understanding, I'm going to make a manual token. And for this, I use Solana tokenlabs.io. Connect your wallet. You'll get a pop-up asking for authorization. Just click confirm and you're in. Next, we move to filling in the token details. I'm naming this cat with shades and shortening it to shades to keep it catchy. Download the logo of the meme you're going to use for your meme coin. I've already downloaded mine and resized it in Canva. The required size is 500 by 500. Hit next and keep going. When you reach the token settings page, don't touch anything. It's already perfectly configured. You want that full 1 billion token supply. We'll need it later. For the description, you can write whatever you want. Just click continue and move forward. Now you'll see the option to add social media links. You can skip this part. I always do. It's never been a problem with Raydium launches. Just turn off that toggle and skip it. The next thing asks if you want to add creator info and a project website, but it costs 0.1 Solana. Honestly, it's not worth it. Just toggle it off and keep your soul. Skip it and move on. Now comes one of the coolest features, custom token addresses. Solana tokenlabs.io lets you add endings like pump or moon to your token's address. It makes it look like it launched through Pump.Fun, which helps build trust, attract buyers, and boost early hype. However, if you put moon or pump as a suffix having 4 letters, it will take around 20 minutes to update on the site. So if you want to avoid a long wait while creating your coin, just add PM or MO, like 2 letters in small caps. After that, you'll see 3 toggle switches. This part is super important. Make sure every single one stays turned on. If you turn off revoke freeze, it means you can freeze trading anytime, which is a big red flag. If you turn off revoke mint, it means you can mint unlimited tokens, another huge red flag. If you turn off revoke update, it means you can change the contract whenever you want, massive red flag. Serious investors notice these things right away. If they see anything disabled, they'll run. So leave all the toggles on and click create token. Your wallet will pop up asking for final approval. Confirm it with one click and boom, your token is officially live on Solana. But now the next step, setting up a liquidity pool. Click create liquidity and you'll be redirected to Raydium. Make sure your wallet is connected, then click create. Select standard AMM from the pool options. Click the token selector, go back to Solana tokenlabs.io and copy your token address. Paste that address into Raydium's search box, add your token details. For this demo, I'm using shades as the symbol and cat with shades as the name. Click add user token, then select it again. We'll supply 900 million tokens out of 1 billion total and pair it with Solana. Since you're the first liquidity provider, you can max out safely. Just subtract the 0.3 SOL fee first. Set the fee tier to 0.25%, review everything, and click Initialize Liquidity Pool. Once confirmed, your pool is live and the coin is tradable. But we're not done yet. Nobody knows about our coin yet, so let's fix that. There's a few ways I get eyeballs on my projects, and I'll show you what I personally do. First option is deck screener ads. Your coin shows up at the top of this trending list, which is really good because millions of people use this site. Plus, it gives you instant credibility. People trust coins they see featured here. I've used this before and it definitely works, but the downside is it costs $300. Which adds up if you're launching multiple coins. When I was starting out, I couldn't really afford to spend $300 on every launch, so I had to find other ways. So the second option is manual social media promotion. Posting on Twitter, Reddit, Telegram, Discord, all that stuff. It's free, but it takes forever, and honestly, it doesn't work that great. I tried this approach for my first few launches and it was just exhausting. Plus the results were pretty okay, not the worst, not the best. So thankfully, we still have a third option, which is what I actually use now, which is automated social media promotion. I use Pump.Fun for this, but it can be any similar promotion website. Forget about wasting hours manually posting. Pump.Fun gets you instant exposure on Dex Screener, GMGN, and Bird Eye automatically. Let's do it live. Connect your Phantom wallet, paste your token address, and choose your promotion. I'm going with the advanced 0.5 SOL option for maximum reach. Now toggle include free website. This is huge. Upload your logo, set your token name. I'll call this Cat with Shades. Select Raydium and hit confirm. Click pay and promote, approve the transaction, and you are done. Now just watch. It's creating a professional website and promoting your token to thousands of traders at the exact same time. And boom, website ready. Let's check it out. In seconds, you have a live landing page with tokenomics and real-time chart links ready for investors. So time to wait and see what happens. I'll see you in a little bit. Check this out, $192,000 market cap. Just completely nuts. This is what happens when you combine a proven concept with a good promotion tool. People buy because the idea already worked before, and the promotion puts it in front of tons of potential buyers. What's crazy is how fast it happened too. Like within the first hour of promotion, I was already seeing some serious volume. By hour 2, the market cap had basically doubled. And then in the final hour, it just exploded. And I've noticed this pattern with pretty much every successful launch I've done. The first hour is usually slow, people are cautious. Second hour, early adopters start jumping in. Third hour, FOMO kicks in and everyone wants to buy. But now, here's the part you actually care about. How do we profit from this launch? Go back to Raydium, ensure your wallet is properly connected, and press the portfolio button you'll find at the top. And there is your current position, profit time. First, click the minus symbol, then push that slider to 100%. And as you guys can see, we are now up $23,000 in official profits. Ignore everything except the souls value. And as you guys can see, I'm gonna receive like 202 souls around there. Choose remove liquidity and approve. There it is, confirmation received and money in hand. That's exactly how you dev meme coins and make more money than anyone in 2026. Now, if I open my Phantom wallet for proof, you guys can see that we just received $23,000, which is like 202 SOL. You guys can see here, even though the market is down, we still made money, bro. Before you go and start building, I want to give one of you a head start. I'm giving away 1 SOL to 1 person to help cover your first deployment costs. Here is how to enter. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Like this video. Drop a comment below with the word launch. I'll be picking the winner in exactly 48 hours and announcing it on my Telegram, Twitter, Discord. So make sure you're following me there. Stop gambling, start launching, and I'll see you in the next one.